Artificial intelligence is not just for experts anymore. It is for students, workers, business owners, and creators. Everyday people like you can use AI to save hours of time. Today, I will share 10 powerful AI tools that will make your life easier. Let's begin. Tool 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like having a personal assistant available 24/7. It can answer questions, explain complex ideas, and even write full articles. You can use it for homework, emails, coding, or business planning. Instead of searching for hours, you get clear answers in seconds. It saves time and boosts creativity. Tool 2. Grammarly. Good writing matters everywhere, school, work, or social media. Grammarly is an AI tool that checks spelling, grammar, and style instantly. It also improves your tone and clarity. Whether you write an email or a report, Grammarly makes it professional. This tool saves you from mistakes and builds confidence in your writing. Tool 3. Notion AI. Managing tasks can be overwhelming. Notion AI helps you organize everything in one place. It can create notes, to-do lists, and even summarize long documents. Students use it for class notes. Businesses use it for projects and planning. It saves hours of organization and keeps you focused. Tool 4. QuillBot. Sometimes, you need to rewrite text quickly. QuillBot is a smart AI paraphrasing tool. It can take any sentence and make it sound new, clear, and professional. Writers use it to refresh content. Students use it to improve assignments. It is fast, simple, and effective. Tool 5. Otter.ai. Meetings and lectures can be hard to follow. Otter.ai records and transcribes everything automatically. It even creates summaries of the key points. You no longer need to take messy notes. Otter saves you time and helps you focus on listening instead of writing. Tool 6. Copy.ai. If you create content, this tool is a game changer. Copy.ai writes social media posts, ads, blog intros, and product descriptions. All you need is a short prompt, and it creates engaging text instantly. It is like having a full-time marketing assistant. Copy.ai saves hours of brainstorming and writing. Tool 7. MidJourney. Designing graphics takes skill and time. MidJourney is an AI art generator. Type a simple text description, and it creates stunning visuals. Artists, marketers, and content creators use it daily. It makes professional images without the need for design skills. Tool 8. Pictory AI. Making videos can take days. Pictory AI changes that. It turns your text or script into a video automatically. With captions, voiceover, and visuals, your content is ready fast. It is perfect for YouTubers, educators, and businesses. You can create professional videos in minutes instead of hours. Tool 9. ElevenLabs. Voiceovers can be expensive and time-consuming. ElevenLabs is an advanced AI voice generator. It creates natural, human-like voices in many languages and tones. You can make podcasts, narrations, or audiobooks easily. It saves money and makes your content sound professional. Tool 10. Jasper AI. Jasper is one of the most powerful AI writing assistants. It helps businesses write blogs, emails, product descriptions, and ad copy. Jasper is trained to create content that sells. It works fast and produces high-quality results. For marketers and creators, Jasper is a must-have tool. Conclusion: these 10 AI tools can truly save you hours every day. They can help you write better, organize smarter, create faster, and work more efficiently. The future of work is not about replacing humans. It is about working smarter with AI as your partner. Remember, AI is a tool. The real power comes from how you use it. So, which AI tool will you try first? Share it in the comments and start saving time today.